There you go, it's dripping. That is engine oil there. What's this over here? Two different colours. I did put a lot of, there, it's dripping again, look. I'll just remove this. I'll just have a look at this, it's inside. Torque converter's in there. Yeah, that's your transmission brake. I did put a lot of sealant, but as I said, there's a lot of oil there, and I'm not convinced that it is leaking from there. It could be the rear main. See, it's dripping down.
It wasn't dripping when the engine was running.
Yeah, that's why I think you've got a problem with the rear main seal. I wasn't very impressed with that. Still doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the torque converter because that noise. If you look at that torque, it's dry, isn't it? I think it's still come from the rear of that engine. There's wet in there as well. Those are the ones I've checked, you see, there's the minutes, but they're all nice and tight.
There's all the minutes.
Yeah, it is. Inner fluid. Yeah, it's leaking right up here, look. You can see it.
So it's engine oil.
It is engine oil. Yeah, it's wet all up there, look. Right over there. There's no splashing outwards, is there?
Oh, it's wet out there.
Well, the way to prove this, if you can get me a sump gasket,
Probably got one down there.
yeah, and then we're separated this from that in there, aren't we? But I gotta say, I did put a lot of sealant on there, and I did it both sides.
Yeah.
So as I went up, it oozed out, you know, and I can't see that should. They're pretty strong stuff, that sealant is. Because why would it stop leaking when you're running?
Well, we sat there with it running, didn't it? It wasn't dripping much, you see.
And that shaft is then turning, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why I think it's the rear main seal, as opposed to the sump. Because if it was leaking from the sump, it'll leak even more because it's hot and it's runnier, isn't it? But we can prove it by replacing it. It's all over the place, isn't it? Traces itself back because of the air movement. And so when I came to do it before, it was all wet.